Today I'm talking about the 2023 Mitsubishi Mirage and the Mirage G4. For 2023, the manual gearbox is no longer available and a black roof is available on selected trim levels. And overall standard features, you can have a 7-inch touchscreen, a 4-speaker sound system, Apple CarPlay, or a premium Rockford Foosgate sound system, and more standard features are available both on the G4 and the normal Mirage. And of course, the standard Mirage is a 5-door hatchback and the Mirage G4 is a 4-door sedan. Both available with a CVT gearbox only. And of course, trim levels of both of them are identical. ES, LE, and Black Edition and SE. Of course, the prices start for both of them. For the Mirage starts at $17,450 up to $19,000 plus for the Mirage, and the G4 starts at $18,450 up to $20,150. Now both are powered by the same 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine making 78 horsepower. I don't like that engine at all. It's cheap, it's shit. But remember this. It's a car based on price and value. It's not a sports car, and I can forgive that. And in the United States, there aren't many affordable cars left, except cars like the Kia Rio and the Nissan Versa. And to be fairly honest, the Kia Rio and the Nissan Versa murders the Mitsubishi Mirage. And that's a fact. The interior wise, for me, it's cheap. But it's okay. It's fine. It's better considering its price. The exterior in the Mirage is, I think it's pretty cool, and the Mirage G4, I think it looks rather sporty. So overall, I'm impressed with the Mitsubishi Mirage. So well done, Mitsubishi.